Are you tired of struggling to find affiliate programs that offer high commission rates? Are you looking for a way to earn long-term residual income from your affiliate marketing efforts? Look no further, because we have the solution for you. Introducing the Secrets of Success Affiliate Program, a new and exciting movement that is set to revolutionize the affiliate marketing industry. With our program, you have the opportunity to earn not just one-time commissions, but lifetime residual commissions. We understand the challenges that affiliate marketers face, which is why we have designed a program that addresses these common problems. Limited opportunities to join successful startups? Not anymore. Secrets of Success is backed by a previous startup, ClickFunnels, which paid out over $100 million in commissions in its first 10 years. But that's not all. We offer a two-tier system, allowing you to earn 10% lifetime residual commissions on referred sales. Imagine the earning potential when you can recruit and refer other affiliates for additional commissions. And here's the best part: we're not just any ordinary affiliate program. We pay out a whopping 40% lifetime residual commissions. That's right. You can earn a generous commission for the lifetime of your referred members. But it doesn't stop there. We have exciting features that will keep your members engaged and coming back for more. Our Secrets of Success membership site offers valuable content and resources that will help your members achieve their goals. And if that wasn't enough, we are launching the MIFGE, Make It Fun, Get Engaged box, which will be sent to subscribers for free. This box will contain everything they need to kickstart their success journey. Subscribers will also enjoy a 30-day free trial to our membership site. But wait, there's more. We will be launching the Think and Grow Rich Challenge shortly after the MIFGE launch. This challenge not only builds recurring commissions for you, but it also provides fun and engaging monthly challenges for your members. So, what are you waiting for? Apply now to become a VIP affiliate and create your affiliate account. Earn 10% lifetime recurring commissions from referred members and be a part of this exciting movement in affiliate marketing. Don't miss out on this unique and standout affiliate program. Join Secrets of Success and start earning the commissions you deserve. Together, we can achieve success and make a difference in the affiliate marketing world. Apply now and become a VIP affiliate plus bonuses. Secrets of Success MIFGE launch is coming soon.